I changed one money habit, and my whole system improved. Freelancers always ask, how much should I really be saving every month? It's a tough question when your income goes up and down, right? Budgeteers, today we're leveling up your financial superpowers. Well, forget the confusing advice. Here's a simple, powerful formula that works for freelancers everywhere, no matter what you earn. It's called the 30-30-20-20 rule, and it's designed specifically for people like us with inconsistent income streams. Imagine your total monthly income is a pie. We're going to slice it into 4 clean pieces. The first 30% is for your essentials. The next 30% goes straight into savings and a buffer fund. Then, 20% is for investing in your business and skills. And the final 20%, that's for your lifestyle. Simple, right? Let's break down exactly how this makes your financial life stress-free. First up, that initial 30% for essentials. This is the non-negotiable stuff. We're talking about your rent or mortgage, your groceries, utility bills, and basic transportation. These are the costs you absolutely have to cover to live. The key here is to make sure this category does not exceed 30% of your average monthly income. If you find it's creeping higher, say to 40% or 50%, that's a red flag. It means you either need to find ways to reduce your core living costs or focus on increasing your income. This first step is all about building a stable foundation. You can't build a strong financial house on shaky ground. Next, and this is the part that will help you sleep at night, is the second 30% for your savings and buffer fund. This is your financial safety net. As freelancers, we know that some months are amazing, and other months, well, not so much. This fund is your shield against that uncertainty. Your goal is to build up a buffer that can cover at least 3 months of your essential living expenses. Imagine having a slow month or even losing a major client and not feeling that immediate panic. That's what this fund does. It gives you breathing room. Once you have your 3-month buffer built, you can direct this 30% toward longer-term goals, like retirement, a down payment, or other big investments. This is your freedom fund. Now for the third slice, 20% for business and skill growth. This is not an expense. It's an investment in your most valuable asset, you. This money is earmarked for things that will directly help you make more money. Think about new software that makes you more efficient, a course that teaches you a high-demand skill, attending a networking conference, or upgrading your laptop. By consistently reinvesting in your business and your abilities, you create a cycle of growth. Better skills lead to better clients, which leads to higher rates, which means more income to manage with this very system. Don't ever skip this part. It's what separates stagnant freelancers from those who thrive long-term. And finally, my favorite part, the last 20% is for your lifestyle. Yes, you get to enjoy the money you work so hard for. This is your guilt-free fun money. Use it for coffee dates, buying that new video game, going out for a nice dinner, or saving up for a vacation. The beauty of the 30-30-20-20 rule is that it gives you permission to spend on yourself without feeling like you should be saving that money instead. As long as your essentials are covered, your savings are growing, and you're investing in your business, this 20% is all yours to enjoy. It prevents burnout and makes the whole journey much more rewarding. So, to recap, 30% for essentials, 30% for savings, 20% for business growth, and 20% for your lifestyle. It's a balanced approach that provides security, growth, and happiness. Now, I know tracking all this can feel like a chore, especially when you have invoices coming in at random times. To make it super simple for you to apply this system every week or month, I created a digital planner specifically for freelancers with irregular income. It's called the Budget Boss Planner. If you want a clear, easy-to-use layout to manage your money using this exact rule, check it out. The link is right there in the description below. It's a total game changer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to help you crush it as a freelancer.